How to regain access to locked application? First of all, go and open the settings on your Android device and then you have to select the privacy option. Next to the permission, there is the privacy option. Select it. And under privacy protection, there are different options like applock, hide apps, and private safe. So to regain access to locked application, you have to select applock and then you have to verify with fingerprint to access to the other pages. Suppose if you have locked Facebook, let's toggle on the bottom. You can simply choose the locked option which is next to all at the top of the screen. And on the section you will see all the locked application on your Android device. So to regain access to locked application, you can come to this page. If you wish to unlock those apps on Android, you can simply toggle off the button and unlock them. And if you wish to make any changes on that application, suppose if you want to uninstall that, you can easily do by unlocking those apps and regaining access to locked apps. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then do like, share and comment on this video. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.